Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to discuss like in the Solana meme coin world, one important moment for a token is when it migrates to a larger liquidity pool or exchange. Many traders closely watch this event. In this video I will explain what the migration feature in trading terminal does and how traders monitor these events. But before starting the video, if you haven't joined this platform, Padded terminal, you can use our referral code CryptoWhale, which is being displayed on the screen, or you can also check for referral link which is available into the description of this video, so that you can save big transaction fees, gas fees forever, and it's easy to use. Okay, so what is token migration? A migration happen when a token moves from its initial launch platform to a larger decentralized exchange pool. For example, a token might start on a launch platform and later move to a bigger trading pool where more people can buy and sell it. Okay, so why migration matters? The answer is very simple. When a token migrates, a few things usually happen, like liquidity increases, more traders gain access to the token, trading activity may increase. Because of this, many traders watch migration closely. Okay, so what the migration feature does? So that's an actual question and the purpose of this video. So the answer is the migration monitoring feature in some trading terminals help traders track when token moves to new liquidity pools. Okay, instead of manually checking different platforms, the terminal shows migration events directly on the dashboard. Okay, so let's suppose if you want to monitor and want to check the migration of any token. So let me show you. This is the token that I have already opened randomly, and if you scroll down in the trading section, you will see a dev token section here, and you will see if the token is migrated or not. As you can see that the token is not migrated yet, and you can check for the highlights as well. And the last token launched was a month ago, and okay, and it's non-migrated for, and the migrate percentage is 0, as you can see. So from here we can take the analysis of this token as well. You may see information like token name, liquidity amount, trading activity in this migration section. Okay, so you should analyze the token first, look at the liquidity side, trading volume, and holder distribution. In this case we can check for the holders, and there are only 7 holders showing up here. Okay, so why the early market activity? When migration happens, the terminal often shows live trading activity. Okay, so let's see in the trade section. Okay, and you are seeing this trading trade here as well, but for now feed is live. Okay, so manage risk carefully. Newly migrated tokens can move very quickly in either direction. That's why it's important to start with small trades and manage risk carefully. Okay, so migration monitoring tool helps traders stay informed about important market events. If you want more tutorials about trading terminals and crypto tools, subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, goodbye.